compare anybody to Rhoda Mike Crawford and Tova Hamilton as MP and Crystal Lee. And somehow, of those 15 seats that the JLP took from the PNP in 2020, they were the one that came through.
Exactly. But it was on
That's
this
no
program that
coincidence.
a man came on your team program, neighbor, and say, you have to reach out to Rhoda and tell Rhoda, say, if you think that just fixing roads and giving people water is going to it's going to bring you home, think again. Make sure you step up.
And I understand that she listened, you know, because
and he said she listened, right?
Richard told me that she start to change her campaign strategy.
Exactly. If performance alone could have win some of these rural parishes neighbor, right? And my rivers on top last.
Yeah. Casey's in the kitchen.
Yeah. If performance alone could win, there's nobody. There's no way Anne Marie Vaz would have lost. So while you perform well, you have to ensure so you do the political work, you have to do the ground politics, know where your voters are, proper canvassing, have your runners them, right? You mean bring out your voters on election day. You have to have that.
Do you think Forsyth, that some of our MPs are a little bit bereft of the political knowledge to stay in politics, like Michelle Charles? I don't know that these people have the understanding of what it takes to run a constituency and to connect with people. You think, and let me not even name her, but do you think that we need to do political training, political education, the psychology of the politics, all of that is needed?
Yes, not just the MP, but the workers. The workers are important. It's a team around the MP, no neighbor. Your team weak, you know. Trust me, at a disadvantage, you could have. Sometimes it's not even the MP that win the seat. It's a team.
Yes.
The workers. Sometimes when I
hear Miss Burchell in Southern talking about giving people water in 100 days, I feel sorry for her. I really do, because you know what an MP goes through to get something Foresight. You know the process that you have to go through, especially when your party is not in government. I don't think these people understand how the government works and how things work, and that's why a lot of them go in the politics and they get frustrated. Foresight. That's just how it works.
People in somebody's rural area, your kind of politics where you preach and that, then they respond favorable to that neighbor. Different type of politics sometimes. When you go on the ground, it's a different kind of politics.
You're not going to discuss right? It because what resources Miss Taylor have access to at the moment? What?
Who?
A new MP.
Sure?
No, a new MP that just come in. Foresight. What resources do they have available to deliver services to their people immediately? Yeah?
They don't really have much something. Yeah, but that's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm telling you. All right, those 14 seats of the PNP won. Some of these candidates, where you think them use and win it? Political work.
Yeah,
it's not government work.
You have to now go in, assess what is to be done, and then you're going to have to develop your proposals and your project plans and all of that, and then you have to submit it to NWA or to the minister, and the minister have to send it to the ministry, and it has to be approved. The approval process may take you months or years. If it's not already in the pipeline, Miss Burchell, you're not going to get it to them. Yeah? So if the people are not only a pipe, you have to dig well. Is the money in the budget for it, for example?
But they voted her in don't neighbor, so
the roads that it to be fixed. You think that the money just there they put on for the road to be fixed like that. That is something that they have to. I think these MPs ought to get some training Foresight, some exposure.
But you think she don't know that?
I don't think they know. I saw them in the parliament there, looking like the new ones we're talking about. Just they're knocking decks. They don't even know what they're knocking the decks for. They look lost. It's almost like they picked up a job that they're not they're not prepared for. What type of experience and training did they get to say, you're becoming a member of parliament, here is what you need to do? They might go sit down in there, represent people. What is it that the job entails? Right? You make promises for people, and now people are looking to you to fulfill these promises.
I don't think they even have a job description. I doubt if they even have get a job description.
You don't have state resources, the Constituency Development Fund. You think they come to the MP? It is to be accessed through a process, and that process takes time. You know, I went to speak to Mr. Warmington, and he tells me that you think that this Constituency Development Fund is something where you can just get so. You have to have a project that is approved by the committee, and it takes time. They need to stop lying to the people and giving the people the impression that simply voting your water problem.
She knows the challenges. It's just that she still said what she said. She's still making the promise of delivering all these things in 100 days when she very well know the challenges. I don't think it's.
By the time the government to settle in, the ministers are to be brief and all of that. 100 days pass, and if Matthew Samuda and don't have no plan for that water in a southern St. James, it can't come there. Right? If that is not part of the government plan for delivering water, no matter what representation in Parliament make, it not go there.
But I want you to understand the politics. When she does that, you know, she is setting up herself. All right, or setting up the part. She's setting up herself. She's putting herself in a position now to say it is not my fault. This was my intention to do it. Right? If it's not done, she's going to blame. Right? The other party.
You know, neighbor. Unfortunately, I must have to say something.
The blame will be placed at the feet of another party. So no, the people now is going to say, oh, she said she was going to deliver, right? And this is what happened. I'm being sabotaged. That's what she's going to say.
Yeah. Thank you, Forsyth. Don't move, Forsyth. Garfman is here. We're running out of time.
You know, neighbor, I've been listening to you. I've not talked to you for quite a few weeks or a few days, I would say. And I'm hearing you. And neighbor, when are we going to leave with the one-sided approach to the people of Jamaica, what you are prolonging here? Honestly speaking, because I hear what you are saying, that these new MPs that has joined the PMP ranks, and it is like it is sickening to hear the discussion. We are basically.
He's gone. What happened to him there? I don't understand. Mr. Garfman, I don't know what happened to you there, sir. Please, can you add him, put him back? I want to hear him. Put him back for me. We're running out of time. Well, you know, the point I'm making is that what is the process by which
you know, you guys, one of your moderators cut me off. The point I was making is this, right? Let me get back, as I was saying. A doctor who is practicing today.
Before you start, Garfman, I'm gonna hold on. You don't think, Garfman, that a member running for parliament ought to have a process by which they understand how government works? Yes, and that when they take their seat in parliament, they can hit the ground running.
100%. I agree with you.
I'm saying
hold on a second. But hold on. I'm
not done. Hold on, man. That is not a bias. Or that what I'm saying. It doesn't matter which side they are on. You know, sir.
No. I understand what you're saying.
Man, hold on, man. I listened to Juliet Holness. You see, sir, speak, and she said to me. Well, she said that if you don't understand as a new member of parliament, you are lost at sea in that parliament, sir. You're lost at sea.
Sir, sorry, neighbor. I agree. I heard the Speaker of the House, Mrs. Holness, state that, and she did create a plan where new members of parliament in her term could understand the roles of the government and the roles of their position as a member of
So when
parliament.
Mr. is saying that you're going to give the people them water in 100 days, sir.
Hold
You
on. I hear you, and I understand exactly what you are saying. I do understand exactly what you're saying, that you cannot go there and start to make promises that you really don't know how you're going to fulfill these promises. But what I would love for you to say, though, what I would love for you to say, that is what politician does. That is what a politician does. He or she make promises, whether it's JLP or PMP. Unfortunately, when you are outside of government, it is harder for you to implement your promises. When you are inside of government, it is much easier. But I would love for you, hold on, I would love for you, because when you made mention, when a Matty Semuda don't have that on the agenda, dog, eat your supper. And what you are here now spreading, neighbor, is the truth of the matter is that you are saying the sabotage politics is back in the space.
No.
Hold on. Let me finish. And when you have foresight, agree with that, neighbor. You guys are wrong, and you guys need to stop it, man.
No, but you hold on. You hold on there now. Hold on there. What he's agreeing with, we are correct. The budget for the National Water Commission or the Ministry of Water is approved. That's what I'm saying. I am saying that budget is already approved. And if Mr. Matthew Samuda don't have that in a plan for this budget, dog, I'm going to name them the people supper. It's not going to happen unless the government is going to come to Parliament with a, what they call the type of budget, foresight. Help me. Yes? Foresight, you're there?
I guess they're going to do a supplementary budget.
A supplementary budget.
What do you think?
Or
Sorry.
some emergency, hold on, some emergency budget. To do that, it cannot be done. The budget for the 2025-26 is already approved and is there in that budget. A plan to bring water to Southern St. James. If it is not there, Miss Burchell Taylor can't get it there. That's what I agree.
The fact of the matter, neighbor, the election is over. Whether you are GLP or PMP, MP, what you should be doing, the question that you should be doing is asking Miss Burchell how she's going to get it done, how she's going to craft her way forward. Those are the questions you should be asking.
Did she check the budget at the
neighbor? You say funny enough, in the election campaign, you guys and your forecaster wasn't asking about the budget, where they are going to get the budget from, neighbor. At some point or another, neighbor, we have to cut out the bias. The election is done. The people's life must continue now. Simple as that.
And all I am saying, sir, is that as a responsible person, he has a duty to have checked to make sure that what she's promising the people. Don't go over there, go tell the people them in 100 days.
Neighbor, no politician ever done that, neighbor. You know that, neighbor. Don't do that. No politician has ever done that.
Garfman.
Yes, man. Too bad.
Garfman.
Yes, sir.
Garfman, are you saying that if you are agreeing that what she said isn't correct, because you don't see how you're agreeing that you don't see how she's going to give them water in 100 days. Are you saying that neighbor should just let it pass because other politicians have done it?
No, I am not saying that. No, sir. No, that is not what I'm saying. But the mere fact of the matter, you guys are continuously politicking. You guys are continuously.
We are talking about this matter. And you came on this matter. So you're using this matter to make your point.
Sir,
no, so finish with this matter before you move on to another. Because let me just trash out this. Because what you are saying is that, what I hear you say is that every politician do that. So you're saying every politician lie to the people. So neighbor should just let it slide. Our neighbor should say, Nikisha Burchell said she's going to get them water in 100 days. Okay, it's okay, because another politician did that 3 years ago, and another one did that 5 years ago. So how are we going to get accountability?
Okay, all right. Okay, good question. We can
You
go
said the
back.
election is over.
By the way,
and
by the way, hold on, Darkman.
Yes, sir.
Your profanity came out.
No, my apology.
So,
My
I
apology.
don't appreciate. No, hold on, sir. I have never used bad words to you.
No, not at all.
No, you wait. Your expletives are not welcome here, and I want you to be careful.
No, it was
No, you're not. No, sir, you cannot come here and use expletives because that's not. I noticed that it was the mic was on.
Yes, it was a hot mic. It was a hot mic.
No, hold on. You are your
It was a
leader.
market.
They are bad words. What's up? Bad words.
Yeah, I do take it back and I do apologize.
Because no, sir, hold on. This is that is what you see. I understand. There's a man that please, Mr. Garvey, don't do it.
No, it wasn't. I didn't realize the mic was on. It was a hot mic. but the thing with me, the thing is this, neighbor, is that we should not be going back. Going back doesn't make any sense because we can continuously go back. We need to go forward, whether it's a GLP MP or a PMP MP. Notice, neighbor.
And this matter happened after the election. I heard it for myself. After the election, and I'm saying to you, sir, the people, I'm not interested in Burchell, nor Matthew Samuda. I'm not interested in any of those, to be frank with you. What I'm interested in is that the people are saying they want water. And I'm saying to you, sir, how the people need to understand how water gets in them pipe. They need to understand how it gets in them pipe. And
that's the problem here. No, I'm saying that's a problem. The people have not been told the truth. So the people are ignorant of how the system works. Because the politicians keep lying to them and misleading them, right? Because all she's thinking about, is to show that she has intention to give them water.
Did you know, sir, that it can take 3 years for a road in a constituency to be fixed? 3 years?
Yes.
Is the road on the Sparks program? Is it a part of the program? Because if not depend there, then the MP have to find money, and she can't just fix roads up because roads are fixed through the National Works Agency. So even if she have her own money, it can't fix like that because there are standards by which these things are done. People know that.
Neighbor, as I said again, we all agree that there are standards and there are protocols by things are done. But what I'm saying, neighbor, the conversation that you guys are prolonging, neighbor, is a conversation that is still putting up people, Jamaicans, against each other politically. Neighbor, the election is over. People life must continue, whether it's GLP or PMP.
Hold on, Goffman.
That's what you guys are doing.
Goffman, tell me the JLP MP that has done something similar, right? That you want to call out. No, but you're saying we're biased. But if it's Nikisha Burchell that came out and made that statement, right? It's Nikisha Burchell we have to talk about.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? It's not like we hear a JLP MP came out and made that statement and Nikisha Burchell came out and we are just picking on Nikisha Burchell alone. Right? Nikisha Burchell came out and promised to deliver water within 100 days.
I ask that question again. Did you ever hear the Prime Minister gave a 100-day promise before? Have you ever heard the Prime Minister gave a 100-day promise before? People life needs to continue, my brethren. People must continue their life. Life must continue. Road must continue.
Sir, the people's lives must continue, but they must not be led to believe that
and neighbor,
life will be changed in 100 days when you and I know say it can't happen.
Neighbor, and I agree with you, neighbor, but there is other ways to have the discussion to keep these MPs accountable, neighbor. Stop pitching the art, stop pitching people against people, neighbor. People life must continue.
Well,
I'm going to show you a classic example. hold on.
Who is it
Let me
pitching
say this.
people against people to
Yes,
say that?
that is what you are doing.
No, hold on.
Yes, that is what you guys are doing.
No, but to say
because
that
you
people
guys
must
are
not be
singling
misled.
out
It's
a
not pitching people
particular
against
MP.
people, brother.
That
No,
is
no.
because you
Singling
guys
out?
are here singling out a particular MP. That's what
No,
you
no,
guys
no,
are
no,
doing.
no,
It's
no,
not
no,
right.
Garfman.
Right is right and
You
wrong
just-
is wrong. Stop it, man.
No, all right, Garfman. Take care of this. Take care of
I
this.
understand.
I understand that some people may not like it, but the fact of the matter is that we're not singling out no MP. We're not singling out no MP here. I don't have no interest in any MPs and what they say. What I'm saying to the people here is that the process by which services are delivered to the people in every constituent in Jamaica is government doing. Government. Okay? And these new MPs going in will find Mr. Hines up in Clarendon. Mr. Hines, I hear Mr. Quavel Hines making some promises there, you see. I hear Dayton Campbell saying he's going to build clinic down at Westmoreland. Build which clinic? Take what building? Where you going to build clinic down there? And what them going to do about tourism and all that nonsense? And Mr. Hines a promise, what am I going to do with agriculture? Do what with agriculture? Not one of those people over there, so in Northern Clarendon will get anything, right? If the plan is not submitted to the Ministry of Agriculture, approved by the government of Jamaica, and it's going to take time. It's going to take some time, and the people just need to understand that, right? Them go build hospital. MP can build hospital and clinic. Huh? I'm going to build clinic and what them going to do with tourism? Do what with tourism? Can't happen. Mr. Rick Trigger, I'm doing a little extra time. Come on, man.
Good afternoon, sir. Why you move my good friend Garfman before I could get him on the program, sir?
Well, you know, sir, he's melting down and I don't know, but Garfman, but I'm disappointed in Garfman because I think
let me just hear the I've not seen Foresight in a long time, neither Casey and Powerman. Let me big up everybody before I say anything. It's primarily Garfman I came up here for, sir, because you're doing a good thing, so let me not disturb you. You know, do your thing, man. Do your thing.
you're gone.
No, man, Garfman gone. So we said that's why I came up here to give him a little reminder. You know, so that's it.
Okay, all right, good. Yeah. Casey?
Neighbor,
Yes, Casey.
neighbor,
Uh-huh.
did you remember Garfman betting us an extraordinary amount of money about Central Manchester in particular?
Uh-huh.
Because he's frequenting that area and the Royal Flat area.
Yeah. Well, I don't
And
know.
the thing, Garfman is just disappointed. He's just still bitter about losing the election. Because you haven't said anything about Nikisha Burchell. You used her as an example.
Quite true.
So you heard her telling the people. You say you actually feel sorry for her because maybe she's not even misleading. Maybe she don't know how the process works. Because that happened to a lot of first-time MP.
Yes. That's what I said. I really feel for her that I think she's well-intentioned, but I don't think she understands clearly. And that is what I said. I hope that her party, that the parliament, that there's a process by which these MPs understand how to navigate the complexities of government so that they can deliver, especially when you're not in government. Sometimes you have to know the minister. You hear me? That's how the politics works.
Definitely.
That you have to know the minister. Sometimes you're not in the budget and you still have to plead to the minister to say, I've heard people say them have to ask the prime minister. I've heard Bobby Montague say it. You have to go to the prime minister. No, you think Miss Burchell can go to the prime minister? Huh? You think how likely it is that Miss Burchell is going to be able to write a project for the water, but it approved in 100 days to deliver water to the people? How comes that must not be said? Maybe they don't even know, right? Maybe the people think that Miss Burchell will get some money, and for some reason she can just bring water, come give them down there. So it can't work like that. I know so it work. And if you're a member,
Well, that tells the session well intentioned neighbor.
Go and listen to the sectoral presentation of the minister. Go and look at the budget. It's approved in Parliament. Go and read it. See what is in there for your constituency. Next budget cycle, start plan for that too. Start write the projects and look at the programs that you want and the help that you want for your constituency and submit it from now so that it can get into the budget for next year. If the government have the money to do it, and if they don't have the money, because the government has a program of work. They can't do everything one time. And that's why every road no fix. And now everybody can go get water. It's what are the priorities of the government. And some MPs go suffer. And some of them are going to be very disappointed. And that's why some of them are going to lose their seat. Because they overpromise. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? We say it tonight, I'm going to say it tomorrow, I'm going to say it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm going to say it every day. All right? Good. All right. Casey?
Yes, neighbor.
I will still not get a chance to talk, man. I win that sit down.
Yeah. I guess you're going to have to call me tomorrow.
All right then.
Yes.
All right.
Call me tomorrow about midday or maybe 1 o'clock.
All right then. Cool.
All right, cool.
Thank you so much. All right. So that's our brilliant analyst and a forecaster joining us on a Sunday. And Foresight?
Yes, neighbor.
Well, it was great to have you here. Thanks for standing up beside me and defending me. It's a rough job, you know.
Yeah, all right, no problem, neighbor. We talk.
Yeah, but you have to tell the people the truth. Those Foresight. It is important.
Yes, definitely, so neighbor. But
Yeah.
it's not everybody can, everybody can take the truth. So we know it go.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Take care of yourself. All right. So this has been a great show. And we were able to talk to you a little bit about all of those wonderful things. And of course, I hope that you enjoy. Listeners, believe me, the folks have been saying that we need to start the show a little later than 11 o'clock. What do you think? they're saying that they have dual interests. They can't they have other shows that they want to listen at that time, and because we are on at 11, they don't know what to do. What should we do? Well, that's why you have KFC and you have Mothers and you have Popeyes and you have Juicy. You have to just choose which one you want to eat. Some people say nyam. So in the market, you have to decide what you want to eat. If you're going to eat chicken and you go to KFC, you can't go Juicy. So you have to decide if you want Juicy or Mothers or Popeyes. You have to choose neighbor. If you want neighbor, you choose neighbor. If you want the others, you choose the others. But tell me, listeners, what do you think? What do you think we should do? Do we wait until they come off? Yes, and that is why you have voluptuous girls, and you have some slim, you have big breasts, and you have some thin. You have some with hips and some without, and some are brown, some are black, some are in between. Choose the one you want. You can't have them all, eh? The same thing, you want to buy a car, you can buy Toyota, Nissan, Mitsubishi, Mazda, BM. Some of my friends drive Escalade, some drive Benz, some like Prado. Oh my goodness, some can only afford a little Tida or a little Honda Fit. It's what you want, you get. No, so I go, listeners, you have to choose what you want, man. All right. So they said we were to stay at 11 o'clock. So we will not. We will stay at 11 o'clock. Anyway, it's time for your power play with Power Man. So we are introducing to the show a new feature. We're going to do a little segment with Power Man. It's going to be news with a little bit of a little bit of comedy in there. Not comedy, serious news. But you know that Power Man is the words man. So Power Man, welcome to the team, sir.
Yes, neighbor, welcome. Yes, sir. Yes, neighbor.
I want the listeners to know that you have joined the Hello Neighbor team, and we welcome you, sir.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Yes, sir.
Yes. And so Power Man, tell the listeners how you plan to do your little segment going forward. Introduce them to yourself.
All right. Well, I don't know what you will call the shot neighbor. So whenever you whatever you want, you know, I will avail myself to deliver.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. So listeners, you're going to be very, very, very entertained, and we'll be working with Power Man over the next couple of days to develop a lovely little spot on the show for you, so that you know, his talent can be exposed, and also we can all have news with a little bit of humor in it. All right, Power Man?
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
go ahead.
Yes, neighbor. I was listening to your panel this evening.
Yes.
It was a very salubrious discussion. But some of it I wouldn't agree with some of them. I can make a point here.
Please.
Since adult suffrage from 1944 until now, we have held, Jamaica has held 19th election, right?
Lovely.
The People's National Party has won 9, and the Jamaica Labour Party has won 10.
Oh my goodness. It's 10-9.
Yes, in favor of a JLP. So I am disabusing that notion that this country is a PNP country. Not at all.
Look at that. The evidence you are saying does not bear that out.
No, neighbor, because when I'm delivering my points, I try to use a part of history, right? You have to use history to corroborate your point. And it cannot be that our JLP won 10 elections and they are on 3 consecutive terms. It cannot be a PNP country, neighbor. How it can be a PNP country?
Yes, it's more leaning Labour right now.
Yes, and I want to make a very salient point.
Give us the number of elections again. Go ahead.
There are 19 elections have been held from 1944 until 2025. And if you want to hear them, I can run it on a program because my brain is clicking. I can run it on a program.
Tell us.
Right? So 1944, 1949, 1955, 1962, 1967, 1972, 76, 80, 83, we go to 89, and we go to 93, 97, 2002, 2007, 2011, 2016, 2020, and 2025.
10-9.
Yeah, the JLP has won 10 and the People's National Party 9. So this country can never, no one could say this could bring a point and say that this country is a PNP country. But what most of your listeners don't really understand, and I want them to just take a minute and listen. What they are saying now, I am going to juxtapose. I'm going to juxtapose the year 1997 and 2002. 1997 general election, former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson has trashed former opposition leader, Mr. Siaga, 50 seat to 10 seat, that 1997 result, right? That was in Mr. Patterson's second term. Mr. Patterson's third term, 2002, he gained 36 seats in that election. Mr. Siaga get 26. So Mr.
Wow.
Siaga get 16 more seats. So the juxtaposition with the sagacious Prime Minister, he won 49 in 2020 and he won 35 in this year. So it's a similar comparison between
Yes.
Mr. Holness and Mr. Siaga. So I don't want people to say that.
The juxtaposition is very good. Yeah. That
Yes.
you juxtapose that very good. Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't want people to say that JLP lose. A victory is a victory, and if the JLP has never performed immensely, they would never win this election. It's a performance election. I don't know about the veracity about vote buying and all those things. I can't corroborate to that, but I hear the allegation all over. But I am saying,
corroborate. Yes, can't corroborate it at all.
Yeah, it is a performance victory. Look, neighbor, let me give you two examples. Miss Rhoda Crawford in central Manchester, when the local government election run, she lost all her 4 councillors, right? 4 councillors she lost in the neighbor. And a year after, she won the election. You're gonna tell me that is not performance while she win her seat in central Manchester?
Yes.
You're not gonna tell me that is performance?
I would say that.
Miss Tova Hamilton in Nazareth Chilani, with the bastion for PNP in future year, go run against a man like Wickham McNeil and beat him. That is not performance.
I think so.
Mrs. Juliet Wallace, that one in East Central, St. Andrew, and get over 9,000 votes. That is not performance.
Yes, I think so.
That is not performance. So people need to disabuse the notion about you get 49 seats 2020, you get 35 5 years after. A victory is a victory.
Isn't it true, Power Man, that both parties start the election at 0 seats?
Totally agree with you. I hate when to say people go that JLP going there with 49s. I hate it so much, but I just allow them to part them view. But that is hogwash to me. That is hogwash.
Yes, both parties enter the election with 0 seats. Sir. So
zero
JLP
seats.
came out. So the JLP did not lose any seat, and the PNP didn't gain any seat.
I want to make just an analogy. Mr. Usain Bolt, one of our former legend, he run a race 9.59, create a record. He is going into another race. The clock gonna start at 0-0.
Yes.
He can run. He can disqualify around 10-2.
Yes.
So there's no way.
Starts again.
Yeah. So they don't go in there with no seat. 0-0.
Yes. And at the end of this race, they came out with 30 what? 36?
With 35 seats.
Oh, 35. That's it, sir.
So at the same juxtaposition
when Dr. Campbell talk about the PNP gain seat, they didn't gain any seats, sir.
No gain no seat, neighbor. Remember in a neighbor in 1997, 2002 with PJ Patterson, the same scenario come to now. So at the same
I like the illustration with Usain Bolt, sir. You start the clock again
from start the clock again. Yes. It can be a 9.959, so you start the clock at 0-0, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start at 0-0.
You know, this country needs, our people need to read. Our country, our countries, eh?
You know what is crestfallen to me, neighbor?
It's crestfallen.
Yeah, you know what is crestfallen to me, neighbor? Majority.
But sometimes I'm sorry for the Jamaica people. We make them all listen to politics. Why don't we all listen to the program, man? That station them go listen to it.
People need to think out of the box and need to know what is going on.
Yes. Because when they come here, they learn words like crestfallen. and sagacious.
Yes, I'm a person like this neighbor.
Yes.
I don't follow politics in Jamaica alone and follow killing. I follow the Caribbean,
Yes.
international. So I can tell you what is going on here, what is going on. We need to think out of the box and Jamaica. Jamaica is a democratic country, right? So regardless of people want to say people by vote and whatever, the election held and the one party was victorious.
And is now in government.
And now in government to get on.
One is in opposition, sir.
Yeah, to get on with the nation business. And neighbor, let me tell you, because as things are going to unfold, what I'm worrying about right now, neighbor, to be honest, because I'm a person, how persons stay or individuals stay, I can describe them with a word. Because I know it's not me pugnacious, because how you stay, me give you a word. So I'm saying right now, the belligerent opposition party, they need to ameliorate for the new parliament session. They need to ameliorate.
No, you have to help us with the meaning of that. Ameliorate.
Yeah, they have to make better. They have to make better their continent and whatever in the house. They have to ameliorate that.
Yes. All right, Mr. Golden, you hear that, sir? You have to ameliorate your in the house.
Yeah, they have to ameliorate and cut out the cantankerousness, the pugnaciousness, the rancorous and the rambunctiousness. They need to cut it out and start behaving puerile. They are big.
Puerile.
Yeah, they are big educated people having doctorate and masters. They're not
puerile, sir?
Yes.
Oh.
They are puerile, sir. Of what their ways. I tell you, I am not pugnacious, How I see a person conduct themselves, I can give them the word, sir. So because of how they conduct themselves, I gave them those words, sir. So they are puerile. Their ways.
They must ameliorate the ways.
Yeah, they must ameliorate their ways.
Hold on for me, Power Man. You're in tune to Power Play. Listeners, Power Play is on. Joy and happiness, Power Man.
Oh, who knows no tenderness.
You bring joy and happiness to these people on this Sunday evening. It's 28 minutes to 8 o'clock.
But the blind.
Well, I tell you, sir. I tell you. 876-858-9553. Anywhere in the world you are that you want to support this program, 876-858-9553.
Oh, yes, we will.
We're in the segment we call Power Play. Power Play with Power Man. News with a little bit of you. Serious discussion with a word.
My new friend.
Wisdom is there. Wisdom in the words, yeah?
Deep in my heart, I believe.
No one does it like us. No one does it like us. Nowhere. No one does it like us on this program. No, I won't be pugnacious. How dare I be pugnacious?
To a soul who knows no tenderness.
You bring joy and happiness to a soul who knows no tenderness. Which one of you ladies online there need a little tenderness tonight? Which one are you?
Never see. You bring joy and happiness to a soul.
Rob, my brother that's getting the bakery. I'm gonna have to call you offline. You hear? I'm gonna have to call you offline, but don't worry yourself. I'll call you, man. Eh?
But the blind will live.
I know the donut sweet. You you can't manage the money donut tonight, sir. Don't. I can't call. I promise you. You see, as soon as I get off, I'll call you.
To a soul who knows no tenderness, you bring joy and happiness.
Joy and happiness to a soul who knows no tenderness.
Soul who knows no tenderness.
Tomorrow is Monday. Be productive at work. Be productive, and thank you so much. Thank you so much.
But the blind will never.
My goodness, you're curled up in the arms of your favorite person right now. Eh? Look at you in the living room watching. Look at you in your bed. Oh, look at you in your bed. Oh my goodness, curly toes and all of that. Oh my God. Oh yes, I see you there. All right. It's a Sunday. You're giving him a little extra, eh? You're giving him a little extra on this.
To a soul who knows.
Yeah, brother, you're getting a little extra, brother. Oh, you're getting a little extra as a Sunday. Take it. My goodness. Oh, I see you there. A little broader for you. A little broader for you. Yes. Oh, you worked hard. You worked hard this week, man. You deserve it, brother.
They say you're no good for me.
All week, eh? All week, you're too tired. All week you did it, eh? Oh, you wonder, oh, it's coming to you tonight. Double. Double for your trouble. All week you did it, eh? All week wondering.
You bring joy and happiness.
It's called infidelity. A double whopper, but a stopper. Oh, the bopper here. Brap, my goodness. My brother with the donut. Oh, you say you're getting bun? Oh, I'll help you. I can help you. Always. I can help you.
You bring joy and happiness.
When I done this case, you say you're gonna be so happy with me. I'm gonna fix it for you. You hear me tell you? I'm gonna fix it.
Say you're no good for me.
Saying good evening to all the workers at Honey Bun. I like your donuts, huh? By the way, those coconut rolls, they're nice. Cinnamon roll, oh. And shorty bread. You like shorty bread?
They may say you're no good for me.
You like the shorty bread? Get me two of them then.
We'll never see her.
By the way, my friend, ease up on him now. Ease up on him a little bit now. Ease up. Shorty, you like the shorty bread, you know? The coconut cake. Rock bun. Oh my goodness, you get that too, brother? Get that too? Don't know. And the twist, yeah, like the twist too, yeah. By the way, then I went into New Kingston the other day, and I had to leave where I was, went over to Mega Mart.
Never see her deep.
Sugar bun and milk. That's what I bought at Mega Mart. Yeah, sugar bun, sweet. Sugar bun sweet.
You bring joy.
Yeah, my brother, I'm not laughing after you. The sugar bun sweet though. Have it with a milk. A box milk. The sugar bun, have it with a box milk. Nice.
May say you're no good for me.
Sugar bun and box milk, brother. Don't take it easy, yeah? Don't worry your head too much. Just buy a box of milk. You like the brown one? Miss Bernard, you like the brown one? Yeah.
You bring joy and happiness to a soul who knows no tenderness.
Nice box of milk with your sugar bun. Oh,
Say you're no good for me.
curled up in your living room on this Sunday evening, eh?
I never see.
Watching TV and listening to Neighbor. All right. Look at your hand. Move your hand from this. Move your hand from there.
I would love to be.
Driving down the road. My God, you're in KFC line. That's where you are.
Yes, we will make our new start.
Deep in my heart, I believe I will love again. All right, Power Man. So, Power Man,
Yes, neighbor.
catch you tomorrow, sir.
Yes,
Go ahead.
yes. Neighbor, just a quick point here.
Mm-hmm.
I heard us, you said something earlier about Miss Nikisha Burchell and Mr. Wavy Lines,
Yes.
right? And the other first term MPs, they are neophytes, you know.
Say
They are,
that.
they are neophytes.
Your fights, yes.
Yes, so what happened now? They don't have the experience, they're not a seasoned campaigner, so they're gonna speak, they're gonna talk something that not gonna come to fruition for what the time that they are projected. So when they are neophytes, or when they're a seasoned campaigner, you will know the difference. And a lighter note, neighbor, I'm gonna share something with you today. 2 words. And I'm gonna make a quick succinct 2 words here, because I heard on a program about some bonus. 2 words. Polygyny and polyandries, right? These practices have happened legally in like Southeast Asia and Africa. One of my co-workers today asked me, I told him that in Jamaica, we are experiencing polygyny and polyandries, but we are experiencing in a surreptitious manner. It is very surreptitious, right? For example,
it's surreptitious.
Yeah, surreptitious, right?
Uh-huh.
A man will have his wife, and they have 2 women on the side, right? That's the form of polygyny, but it's done in clandestine, right? Vice versa, the woman again.
That's polygamy.
Yeah, that's polygyny.
Polygamy.
Polygyny.
Oh, polygyny. Uh-huh.
Polygyny. Yeah. Polygamy
Okay.
is when polygamy is when a man or a woman have more than one wife husband. But polygyny is when a man have more than one wife. Polyandrous now is when a female have more than one husband. So I'm telling that it is happening in Jamaica, but it's done in secret.
Yes, of course, absolutely.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
It is the reality. It is the reality. It is happening in Jamaica. Yes, sir.
Boy, I tell you something, these side chicks, them so bold these days. Oh.
Yeah, man, they're very audacious, man.
They what?
They're very audacious.
These side chicks are audacious. Ow.
and I think.
The audacious side chicks. Ah. Man of God is on a cruise ship. Oh, look at that. Man of God, you're out on the sea. Oh, wow.
Oh, yes, we will.
God have mercy upon us. The audacious side chicks.
My new lover.
I am on a cruise ship sailing. Look at that. Oh, the cruise ship passengers are listening to Hello Neighbor on a Sunday. Hi, everybody on that cruise.
Oh, yes, we will make her your star.
I tell you this, Power Man.
Yes.
You know the amount of men, sir, who have to pay secrecy fees?
Yes.
I tell you this, Power Man. You know how many men, sir, have to dole out money every month just so that she keeps quiet?
Yes. That is why I'm saying that the polygyny and polyandrous is in Jamaica, but it's done in secret, neighbor.
Yeah. Anyway, have a fantastic evening, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, Davis. Thanks for accepting. Yes, sir.
No, man. Okay, take care of yourself, all right? Bye-bye. I'm out of time.
Okay, all right.
876-858-9553. If you're on the cruise ship and you're listening to me now, text us that now. Text that number. Send a WhatsApp. You're on the cruise. Cruise along.
They may say you're no.
Wishing you all a very productive week ahead. Keep safe and stay positive, all right?
We'll never see all.
Join us tomorrow at 11 o'clock. We'll be here to do it all over again for you. 11 o'clock tomorrow a.m. Please remember, if you have a small business, we'd like to talk to you. Talk to you on air. Give you a little bit of promo. Grow your small business. Grow your small business right here on Hello Neighbor Daytime and Hello Neighbor Prime Time.
You lover, my new friend.
See you at 11 tomorrow. 11 o'clock, all right? 11 in the a.m. We're going to be focusing this week on central government versus local government. We want to decipher those two and get the people to understand what is the role of the local government versus that of central government, because the people don't know.
You bring joy and happiness.
Tap the screen, share the live, and help us to achieve our live goal. Even before you go off, send a gift. All right. Thank you so much for spending time with us this Sunday. My PD on the other side of the glass, thank you so much for giving me extra time. All right. Thank you so much for your work and all the work you do for us here. Bye-bye. Take great care, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.